Why do 90% of Windows 11 Valorant errors scream about TPM 2.0 or secure boot? The answer's not as complicated as you think. Here's what really matters, and what you can actually do. No risky BIOS hacks required. If you're seeing that van error in Valorant, it's almost always about TPM 2.0 or secure boot. Good news, you can check if they're on, right from Windows. Hit Windows key plus R, type tpm.msc, and see if TPM 2.0 is ready for action. For secure boot, run msinfo32. Look for BIOS mode, UEFI, and secure boot state. On. If they're both on, you're good. If not, here's the not-so-epic twist. There's no magic Windows fix. These settings live in your BIOS, not in some secret menu. If your hardware just doesn't support TPM 2.0, no amount of hacks will work. Your only real options are upgrading your rig or rolling back to Windows 10. Bottom line, no BIOS, no fix. But now you know why. Smash that like, drop your questions below, and subscribe for more honest PC gaming tips.